Tuffcare T7036 Century Bed Assembly. This product includes 2 frame pieces, a motor with battery, foot and headboard, nuts and bolts, and optional side rails. Start by lining up the frames so that the head and foot tabs latch onto each other. Install the bolts on both sides of the frame and tighten them in their mounting hinges. Using a 1/2 wrench, tighten the nut. Use the Velcro on the battery and attach it to the motor. Lift the bed onto its side to install the motor. Attach the motor by aligning the holes and inserting the bolt. Then secure it using the pins provided. Remove the plug locker and insert each plug inside of its corresponding outlet. Now reattach the plug locker. Readjust the bed so that it is flat on the ground. Plug in the motor to elevate the bed. Install the headboard by using 2 hex drive pan screws with nuts to secure the supporting bracket. Then use the Phillips pan head screws with nuts to secure the headboard onto the supporting bracket. Repeat the following on the footboard side of the bed. To install the side rail, use a bolt, 2 washers, and a nut, and align the holes, then insert the bolt into the rail. After inserting the bolt, place a smaller washer into position and screw the nut in. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Remember, tighten all nuts and screws before using to prevent injury or concerns. Now you have completed assembling the Tuffcare T7036 Century bed. Feel free to reach out to us for any further questions and inquiry.